Welcome to Wren and Martin English Grammar. In today's lesson, we'll begin Chapter 1 and discover what a sentence is, how it is formed, and why it is the foundation of English communication. Every conversation, every book, every speech, and every exam depends on one essential skill.
The ability to build correct and meaningful sentences.
Language begins with words. Every word has meaning, but individual words alone cannot always express a complete idea. When words are arranged in the correct order and express a complete thought, they become a sentence. A sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper order that expresses a complete sense or complete thought. In this chapter, we'll learn the definition of a sentence, its essential characteristics, the 4 kinds of sentences, and how to recognize a complete thought. Not every sentence serves the same purpose. Some give information, some ask questions, some give commands, and others express strong feelings. The first kind is the declarative or assertive sentence. It simply states a fact, gives information, or expresses an opinion. Whenever we tell someone something or share information, we use a declarative sentence. It is the most common type of sentence in English. Second kind is the interrogative sentence. It is used whenever we ask a question or seek information from someone. These are interrogative sentences. Each one asks a question and expects an answer. The third kind is the imperative sentence. It is used to give commands, requests, advice, or instructions. The fourth kind is the exclamatory sentence. It expresses strong feelings such as joy, surprise, admiration, or excitement. Remember these 4 kinds of sentences. Every sentence you read or write belongs to one of these types, depending on its purpose.